Hello everyone, happy Wednesday. I thought I'd just come on and do a quick video to show you a few more cards made out of the Today's Tiles bundle, which is the Field Tiles dies and the Today's Tiles photopolymer stamp set by Stampin' Up. It is in their current annual catalog, 2020 to 2021 annual catalog, and I love this set. I could keep going. I have more ideas, but I have to switch gears soon. But last night in the live, in case you missed it, we made this card and this card and this card. And I had some other ideas, but it was late and I was tired. And so if you want to see how these were made, go watch last night's live. It should be uploaded now, I believe. I don't know. YouTube takes a while. So in the live twice, I said something because I went back and watched the replay because I couldn't remember what it was I said. One of them was this die. I wanted to save the pieces and do an inlay, and I remember saying, don't anybody take my idea. So guess what? I did it. And I did it with, I'm bringing into this now, which I didn't use last night, the Playing with Patterns Designer Series paper, which had Calypso Coral, Coastal Cabana, Crushed Curry, Night of Navy, and Purple Posy. And I wanted to use Purple Posy, and we never got to that. I was going to do it in a different way. But this is what I did. I put it on a Purple Posy card base. I put a piece of this paper down. I cut this out in Night of Navy and Purple Posy, but then I glued them onto, this is about 2 7/8 inch square. I glued them down onto a square so that I could pop it up on dimensionals. And then I inlaid the purple. I cut it in Purple Posy too. And you'll see that on the next card. I inlaid the Purple Posy into the Night of Navy. And then here I just put one of the holiday rhinestones. I did finally get to use that one die I hadn't used, which says, thanks for being there when I needed you most. If you want explicit directions for this and the next few cards I'm just going to show you quickly, let me know, because I may offer this as a PDF kind of class type thing for a fee. So if you want the exact instructions. And then inside, I actually had this already stamped out, and I can talk to you about that too. So here's the other piece, the Purple Posy. And yeah, I thought they came out really pretty. Again, using the paper. And this one is using leftovers I had from the first two cards I did last night. Well, the first card twice. But this is a little different, and you can probably guess how I did it, but I'm not going to say right now. And then inside, another piece of that. And then there's this one, which you didn't see me do this one. This was a practice piece before I went live yesterday. And then lastly, this one, a little bit different angle on that. So similar color palette throughout, and I just thought the colors went beautifully with the Playing with Patterns, which has Night of Navy, Purple Posy, and Coastal Cabana in it. So the only two colors I didn't use are the Crushed Curry and the Calypso Coral, which I hope to use soon. So anyway, those are the additional cards I made, and if you're interested, like I said, in learning how to make these, as well as the 3 I made last night, if you don't want to watch the replay, I will put them in sort of towards the end of the PDF. I don't think I'll do videos on it. I'll just write them up and offer it as a PDF class with pictures. Let me know. I'm thinking just, you know, $10 PayPal to offer that to you. So there you have it. Let me know, guys, and I will talk to you again soon. Oh, and it did also bring in the Playing with Patterns ribbon combo pack. So for those last ones, All right, everyone, I will talk to you again on Friday the 10th. I do not think I'll be on at all tomorrow, the Thursday the 9th. So I will see you on the 10th, and I hope you all have a great week. Stay healthy, stay safe as best you can. Bye for now.